get wahala. Anyhow you like, I go do my dear, as long as it no cost palava.
Spells.
Promise say you go treat me well, oh. Give me good love and no be kiss and tell, oh. No be say after that wine I'm well, oh. Make you no go leave your girl for inside well. Woyo, 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 woyo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this cute wig in less than 5 minutes with no glue. I just put on the wig, cut off the lace, and put some concealer in the front so your sister is not worried about anything over here with this wig. So the company I work with today is SILIKE in AliExpress. Okay, so this is their pamphlet over here. Anyways, I'm going to show it better in the video, which you're going to see. But so I don't want to talk too much in this video. The contact is somewhere today from COLORCL.com. They sent to me this collection, which is called SIESTA Pearl Edition. So I'm wearing the Pearl Forest. Yes. I'm really loving bob hair. Like, bob hair is cute on me. I'm realizing it now a little bit. So like, yeah, I'm loving this hair so freaking much. Okay, so like you have to do smaller cornrows if you don't want your hair to have like bulky-ish over here. Do smaller cornrows, ballet, because my own cornrows are big as hell. Ballet. So without talking so much, if you want to know how I installed this cute wig, just keep watching. Hey. Hi guys, so okay, let's go to the video. I'm going to be reviewing some wigs today. I'm going to review I think 2 wigs for you guys, but obviously I'm going to change top so you won't notice, but it's going to be the same makeup. Okay, so I'm going to review wigs from SILIKE hair. Okay, so they sent me quite a lot of wigs, and today I received more wigs from them, so it's kind of crazy because your girl have a lot of work to do. But anyway, so today I will be reviewing this one. Yeah, this one. So I'll be reviewing this wig. What came with it is this pamphlet over here. Okay, so I'm going to review. I think the wig I'm going to be reviewing is not here. No, I don't think so. No, it's not. But I also have this wig over here, which I'm going to be reviewing too. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So this is a front lace wig. Okay, ear to ear lace, then the back has tracks, then in the front it has 2 combs, and in the back it has another comb and with adjustable straps. Okay, so let me just go directly and cut the lace. Okay, so it also came with this wig cap, which I'm going to put right now. So I've cut the lace and now I'm going to be trying the wig on. Okay, señorita. Whoa. Let me brush it a little bit. I hate when hair touches my face though. Okay. Bam! Jeez! Okay, now I'm liking the wig, okay, with this concealer-ish like I just did right now. I'm liking the wig, but I'm sweating as hell. The heat want to kill your sister again. So like, okay. Oh my god, this wig is so cute. Okay, I got to confess this right now. This wig is the bomb. Okay, so yes, this is what I'm talking about. I'm loving this wig so bad. I'm loving it. Oh my god. Okay, so you guys see the back. You guys seen that? You guys seen it? This wig is gorgeous. It's so cute. Oh my god. I'm loving it. Me queda bien. That is cute. It's cute. It's simple, cute, stress-free. Wear it on and go anywhere you want to go, okay? So like, yeah. Me estoy dando cuenta que el pelo corto me está quedando bien. Yeah, short hair is for me, I think. I don't know, but I think short hair is for me. Like, yes. I just cut the lace and put concealer, nothing else. Like, yeah. Yes. Oh my god, let me just do the intro and go. Okay, let me just do the intro. And this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, time to put some music. Okay, time to put some music. Please don't leave me there. Please don't leave me there. I love you. Zam 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 zam. About them zam 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 zam. I told you that. I wanna be like this. This love can be like. I don't know. We are more. Too much love. We are more. I don't know. We are more. Too much love. We are more. Only.